Passport. Passport. Don't forget your passport when traveling abroad. Visa. Visa. Make sure to apply for a visa before your trip. Airport. Airport. We'll meet you at the airport when you arrive. Boarding. Boarding. Please proceed to the gate for boarding. Boarding pass. Boarding pass. Keep your boarding pass handy until you board the plane. Customs. Customs. Be prepared to declare any items at customs. Luggage. Luggage. Don't forget to tag your luggage with your name and address. Baggage claim. Baggage claim. Let's head to baggage claim to pick up our suitcases. Currency exchange. Currency exchange. You can exchange your money at the airport or a bank. Hotel. Hotel. We've booked a room at the hotel for our stay. Reservation. Reservation. Did you make a reservation for dinner tonight? Tourist attraction. Tourist attraction. There are many tourist attractions to visit in the city. Guidebook. Guidebook. You can find useful information in the guidebook about local attractions. Departure. Departure. Our flight's departure time is at 10 a.m. Map. Map. Let's consult the map to find our way around the city. Emergency. Emergency. In case of emergency, dial the local emergency number. Guide. Guide. Our guide will show us around the famous landmarks. Destination. Destination. Paris is our next destination after London. Duty free. Duty free. You can buy gifts at the duty-free shop before boarding. Delay. Delay. Our flight is delayed by an hour due to bad weather.